Once you receive your door hanger and remove it from the shipping box, your bow may be flattened out. Since a wired ribbon is used to make the bow, this is a quick and easy fix. To begin, you'll start on one side of your bow, and you're going to find the center of your hoop here. On this door hanger, it consists of 2 pieces of ribbon, our plaid and our black. So once you find the center, you'll just take your fingers and softly work the outside edges of the ribbon where that wire is. As you can see, it's already starting to take shape. So once you have a nice fluffed hoop here, you're just going to take one piece of the ribbon in one hand, the other piece in your other hand, and just gently separate the two. We're going to move to the other side and do the same thing. Find the center of our hoop, take our fingers, and just gently work the outside edges of that ribbon. And once we have a nicely fluffed hoop there, we're just going to take and gently separate those 2 pieces of ribbon. And then you can come back and kind of rework them. And there you have it, a beautifully fluffed bow and a gorgeous door hanger ready for your front door.